Hey, I'm joined here with Victor, the lead designer on the new M Series. Victor, can you just take a minute and walk us through the series, please?
Absolutely, Greg. Thank you. I am really excited to show the latest 2025. This is what is standard with the M Series. So I'm gonna allow you to come in through the front bow gate. You open it with a firm handshake, open it up, and here we go. What is exciting as you enter, you will notice that you have some chamfers. You also have some nice round surfaces. This interior was created with those two in mind. We wanted to make sure you invites you with these soft areas and also the chamfers that drive you back to the front so that it allows you to give you that nice modern feel. Talking about feel, we have this new Veneto vinyl that is part of all M Series. We have it in 6 different colors, and I'll talk about that a little bit later.
Absolutely.
Can you come inside and sit down? I'll show you some of the cool areas in here. Okay, so like I was saying, you have this nice material coming all the way, wrapping, so it invites you into this furniture piece. You'll notice that it's got the open lumbar. We really like that. It's airy. You are able to put a purse, a towel, some items, maybe a wallet. What I like is that you can put your cell phone right into this pocket that is included with a 12 volt. You can see here we have 3 cup holders, and I really like that. Even something that's very similar to a tumbler. You could put it here like a Stanley cup, and it's got plenty of space. And 2 other cup holders that are right here that I think are really neat when you sit in this interior. What's also new is as you sit back here, you have an armrest. So now you can be comfortable in this armrest. If there's a lot of passengers in here, I don't mind doing this, and without that lumbar area, you are able to be allowing other people to sit in front of you, and your knee can be tucked into that lumbar area. What's also neat is that we're introducing something new. It's the diamond fade. This is our new diamond, and it fades as it goes forward. What we wanted to do is that there's a lot of movement in the product, and we wanted to talk about that. We wanted to show that, and you can see the diamond fading in here, and we'll show you some other cool, neat areas that have that as well.
Absolutely. I love it. Love the space, how you took advantage of that pocket to give more room for your tumblers and stuff.
And notice how the accent as well is very subtle, not too much color, but enough to show you that this is the Bennington product. I'm really excited to show you what we also have standard is we have this lighted gate glide, really neat feature to have. Another neat feature to see is this anchor storage. We were listening to the customers asking for it to have a shock. There you have it. Now this also comes with the storage, and that storage also comes in the center tube with the shock. Also, Greg, what's really neat about this design is that we went ahead and tucked those roto molds right in deep so that you can just concentrate on the furniture and not see that. All the toe kick is there as well to open up the space. Just like the lumbar, we wanted to do the same on the flooring. Here with our chase, the neat thing that we have is now storage here in the side pocket. You can fit a few items in here, some bottles, really useful. And what's also standard here, check out, we have a new table that is part of the standard package. And we have a tray with an option to put a doggy bowl in this.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Love it.
My favorite part is now I don't have to bother someone to go ahead and get the trash can. So this is really neat. I'm able to just use the trash can there and then just put it back up.
Victor, tell me about this new standard swingback. I think I just love the way this thing looks.
Absolutely, Greg. There is something new about it. Aside from what we can do with the swingback, go ahead and pick up that center piece. Now you could be facing the aft of the boat, and you can also have the other facing the bow of the boat. You can lift one next to you. There you go. Just like what we do today.
2 positions too.
2 positions.
Taller or lounge a little
bit
more.
Correct.
Like
and now look where you're standing. You got 5 inches of deck space.
Oh yeah, this
it's bigger.
Back here.
You have nice rounded deck trim, and then as it leads towards the other side, you have the lily pad that's included, and also that stainless steel rail.
I love the lily pad ladder. The wide steps helps you if you have a dog. You can bring your dog right up in the boat.
And what's great is it's standard.
I love it. Looks like you completely redesigned the helm for this M Series. You want to walk us through that real quick?
Absolutely. Starting with the windshield up front, what we did here is also did the diamond fade, which is on the frit here, that leads into the Bennington right in the center. Also, what's unique about this is we have the cup holder in the front, but then we have this pocket on the side. You can put some small items, your glasses, your wallet, The neat thing about this part is we're calling this the diamond shatter, and it's like ripples in the water. We have a nice large door with a pocket inside.
Oh, I love how that's lockable. That's fantastic.
Thank you.
Still carrying over the interior courtesy light.
Right there.
Beautiful.
Okay, now let me go ahead and talk you through the Horizon helm from the top down. What we have here is your digital display up high. Like I was telling you, we have a lot of ergonomic studies. We wanted to make sure that the female and the males can see out through this at any height. And also we can be able to see what's in front of the boat. And with this steering wheel, I'm able to see all my displays down here at the bottom of the screen.
Excellent.
On top, we have this nice wood grain that is also paired up with this nice vinyl with the stitching. And then with this 7-inch display comes a 12-inch digital buttons. You have your stereo system here. We've also paired up with Rockford Fosgate on this. On the right, what we have here is the diamond fade on this acrylic piece that both you can see pointing towards the center where you have this steering wheel. On the bottom, what we've done is C-deck with the Bennington wing logo right in the center. On the right, where I like to put my phone, is on the right pocket, but you also have this standard rechargeable station on top. If you want to keep it away from the sun, you can do that right here, or you can put your phone right here.
That's great. I like it because it's at your fingertips no matter where it's at, which is great.
It is. And now I want to show you a very neat little storage compartment over here on the side.
The hidden storage.
Yeah, the hidden storage.
Check it out.
Yep.
We're here on the exterior of the boat. Why don't you just walk us through the exterior?
Absolutely. Greg, what we have here, again, back to the gate, we have that chamfer. But what you see here at 21 inches, it goes all the way up to 26 inches. That gives it that nice dynamic look, gives it that dog speed that we talk about. Couple things about what makes a Bennington is performance. We also have the quality, and we have the design. With that, I have to complement what we're doing as far as performance, and these dynamic lines give you that speed look from the dock. With these rails, we're also complementing the furniture. It's going and complementing the rail as it goes and dives in forward. What you see here is docking lights on the side. Also with this dynamic look, we also have some louvers that are angled, so when you're reaching the dock, you can see, and some of those highlights are picked up as you're approaching the dock. As you move to the aft of the boat, notice how we have a bigger Bennington swoosh, and we also have a new signature aft rail that has a kick up in the back.
Let's walk through the standard M Series color options.
Okay. On the exterior, what we have is a chrome logo. Notice how here with the black lugs, when you get the rails, you can get the black logo on the front.
Nice.
We have the standard wheel. In the interiors, we have these color schemes, the Dolce, Modesto Brown, the Graphite, and the Shadow Gray.
Now I've worked our way over here to the M Sport. Walk us through this, Victor.
Absolutely. This one gets me really excited because now you can really see how those dynamic lines that we were talking about come to the front and are complemented with our automotive style docking light. What you see here is a daytime running light. So now you can be on the water and you can see it from far away. Now you can have that boat have some character, and this M Sport will be the first in this class out there with that docking light feature here, and also the daytime running light and the docking light here. What's also unique is you will see the Bennington wing logo and the diamond fade inside that docking light.
Attention to detail. I love it. Great.
Yes.
So tell us about the M Sport interior.
Absolutely. What you have here is these stripes draw you into the interior, and then you complement it with some sport stripes on the chase. You also have on the seat pan face the red with the embroidery of the sport. In the lumbar area, what I love is this diamond fade, but you have more textile there, surface, to draw you into that lumbar area. You also have these lighted lumbar, which is an option. You can see it in here. Also, look at that nice highlight picked up with that diamond fade. You have your cup holders, like I mentioned earlier. You also have your tray with your 12 volt. The lumbar material here is also with the speakers. Again, in the interior, we wanted it to be a cohesive, very clean approach. Notice how we have the armrest like in standard, and we also have a sports logo here, so you know that you're in the sport. This accent that is in the armrest leads you right into the pocket on the side that also has the same accent, and we also have a Ned pocket with the standard large pocket. The windscreen also has a decorative piece with the Sport and Lux. What we're doing here is doing the same diamond shattered here and here with the wing logo on the windscreen. Also, you get the diamond shatter in that Pinnacle pocket. Very large pocket. You can put some t-shirts, a towel, and large items in this area. Notice that we have the C deck with the diamond fade and the Bennington wing logo up on top. Greg, what also comes with the Sport is with the 7-inch display, you get an upgrade with the 7-inch vessel control, and then the knob. You also have the black cup holders and this nice steering wheel. In the steering wheel, what we have is a combination of matte and glossy black to give you that very nice sporty look.
Yeah, I love the feel of that in my hand. It feels great, and I can still see all my gauges up top.
Good.
Excellent.
You have the co-captain recliner here, and it has the nice red stripes with the diamond pattern. You also have the same pockets on the sides, and to the chase, you also have a pocket here. Maybe you could put some flip-flops or additional items in this pocket. We're here in the back of the boat. We got the fastback. What I do here, I'm pretty long. I get my armrest down, 5'11", but man, I have plenty of room because I squared off the rear of the boat. And also, if somebody wants to sit next to me, they can. Why don't you try it out?
Awesome. Oh, yeah, I like the angle of that seat. That thing's comfortable.
That's good. And also, the fastback comes with a option for a trash can.
On this M, we added an optional arch. Now, this is a special arch. Tell us about it, Victor.
Yeah, it's special because this is actual carbon fiber. The way we designed this is come as far forward as you can to get optimum coverage. It goes all the way back here.
It basically covers the whole interior of the back part of the boat.
That was the intent. And you know what's really cool? Only 28 pounds.
Oh, it makes it easy to get up and down.
Love Absolutely. That. Yeah, I do too.
Victor, walk us through the color choices for the M Sport.
Sure will. What we have here is that Bennington wing logo that's black. We also have that steering wheel that I was showing you inside that has the flat black, the glossy black, and the glossy black inserts. And here, the color schemes we have for the interior is Dolce, Arctic White, Phantom, Graphite, and Shadow Gray.
So let me ask you, does that Phantom get hot?
I'm glad you asked. It actually has permacool, the same way the Breeze is.
Awesome.
In luxury, what we did is continue with this automotive dock light style design. We have the nice sweeping lines, very dynamic. But what I love the most is this new Modesto brown that we have mentioned before, that is the Veneto. I also love the anthracite gray paired with the Shiraz purple. I think this color combination, you add the bronze.
Stunning. And I like the way the lights recessed up there. So we have this front deck that's open to get people on and off the boat. It's fantastic.
Agreed. Greg, let's get you inside.
Let's do it.
So this is what we get in the Lux package. What you see is the embroidery here, tone on tone. We wanted to keep it subtle, no color popping, too much going on. It's a very subtle color here, and also in the swing back. Also, with the nice diamond fade, we also have it on the seat pan face. You can see we have the diamond fade there as well. It wraps around here. You also see the same textile surface here into the speaker area as well. We wanted to keep it clean, simple, elegant. Moving towards the chase, we have the diamond here as well, no stripes. And now we have the nice accent in the armrest. And don't forget that nice Bennington logo that you have in there for Lux.
Beautiful.
In the insert here, what we've added, another pocket that's netted and the same textile surface we have here.
I also love how you incorporated the wing logo. You embroidered that right into the seat.
Yeah, notice that the Shiraz purple is in the stitching and also in the embroidery.
Awesome. Love it. Tell me about the Lux helm.
There's a lot of similarities like the Sport. We got the elevated helm. We also have the insert on the windscreen. We have the insert here, but also the insert over here that is to the Pinnacle pocket. And we also have the 7-inch display and the 7-inch vessel control. But what's unique now we have the bronze wheel. So this bronze inserts are also replicating what we have in the front, which is that bronze wing logo.
Which is all exclusive to the Lux, correct?
Exclusive to the Lux.
Tell me about the high back recliner.
This has the new diamond on the back and also on the C-pan, and no stripes down the middle.
On this Lux Swingback, is there anything different on here versus the standard or the sport?
Yeah, on luxury, what we did is the same as what we had done in the bow. We did the tone on tone with the embroidery of the Bennington.
Oh, so you brought it back here to the back of the boat.
Yes, sir.
Love it. Also, just like the other boats, we have the adjustable pads here on the Swingback, the extended 5-inch deck, and the lily pad ladder.
And you also have the rounded deck trim.
Oh, right around the engine.
Yes,
Love
sir.
It.
Yep.
Great.
Me too.
We're here at the M Lux. Why don't we walk through the coloring offerings on this one, Victor?
Yes. What we have here is the bronze logo that comes with Lux, a steering wheel that has the bronze insert on the top and on the center with a stainless steel cap, and then we have the stainless steel spokes. Color scheme, Dolce, Modesto brown that you see here, graphite, and shadow gray.
Victor, appreciate you taking the time to walk us through the M Series, going through the standard, the sport, and the Lux. Great job taking the lead on this project, man.
I appreciate it. And, we were really proud of the design team of doing this, but we can't do it without all the help. There's a lot of help that went into this project. It started with the customers, the dealers giving us all the feedback, and then all the hard work at Bennington. So it's definitely a team effort.
Excellent. Well, thanks again, buddy. Appreciate it.